Are you tired of clicking send on Facebook Marketplace and nothing happens? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix Facebook Marketplace not sending messages in just a few simple steps, so you can get back to buying and selling without the frustration. Whether it's a glitch, connection issue, or something else, I'll walk you through every fix that actually works. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First, make sure your internet connection is strong and stable. If you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data or vice versa. What to expect? You should be able to refresh your feed or other apps without lag. Pro tip, if Facebook is loading slowly too, that's a sign your connection might be the issue. Step 2. Update the Facebook app. Next, head to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Facebook, and tap Update if it's available. What to expect? This ensures you're running the latest version, which often includes bug fixes for issues like this. Step 3. Restart your device. Sometimes a quick reboot is all it takes. Restart your phone or tablet and try sending a message again. What to expect? This clears temporary glitches that may be stopping messages from sending. Step 4. Clear app cache and data. Android. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, then Facebook, then Storage, then tap Clear Cache and Clear Data. What to expect? This removes corrupted files that might be causing the messaging bug. Pro tip, don't worry, this won't delete your Facebook account, just the temporary data. Step 5. Check seller's account status. If you can't message a specific person, their account might be deactivated or they may have blocked you. What to expect? You won't be able to message or even see their marketplace listings if that's the case. Step 6. Try messaging in incognito or a different browser for web users. Using a browser? Open Facebook in incognito mode and try sending a message. What to expect? If it works, one of your extensions might be interfering. Try disabling them one by one. Step 7. Reinstall the Facebook app. Still not working? Uninstall the Facebook app and reinstall it fresh from the App Store. What to expect? This can fix deeper bugs that clearing the cache didn't. Step 8. Check for messaging restrictions. If you've been sending lots of messages, Facebook might have temporarily limited your ability to message. Check your support inbox at facebook.com/support. What to expect? If you see a warning, you'll need to wait out the restriction. Step 9. Contact Facebook support. Finally, if none of these steps work, report the issue directly to Facebook. Go to Settings, Help and Support, then Report a Problem. All right, here's a quick recap. We checked your internet, updated the app, cleared cache, restarted your device, tried browser solutions, looked into restrictions, and more. Bonus tip, if you're frequently using Marketplace, consider switching to the desktop site. It's often more stable than the app for messaging. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the tutorial lab for more simple tech fixes just like this. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments. I reply to every one. And don't forget to check out my video on how to fix Facebook Marketplace not loading. It's linked below and just as useful.